Trending on Procyon radio and television with Sarah about Sudan crisis. The Nigerians in Diaspora Commission, NIDCOM, disclosed that 1,471 evacuees from Sudan had arrived at the Nnamdi Azikiwe International Airport in Abuja. One of the returnees, Zainab Daou, a medical student, said she was very happy to have made it out alive from Sudan. She recalled the crisis, describing it as a very frightening situation. According to her, she was forced to sleep on the floor for fear of bullets killing people on their beds, even while they waited endlessly to be rescued from the crisis-torn country. The management of CMC Connect, LLP, one of the leading perception management and public affairs consulting firms, is set to host public and regulatory affairs practitioners in the private and public sectors to a national discourse in the area of fiscal policy direction for the incoming government. The program, billed for Thursday, May 11, 2023, via an online webinar platform between 10 a.m. and noon, is themed Setting a Fiscal Policy Agenda for the Bola Tinubu administration. There was panic at the Nnamdi Azikiwe International Airport in Abuja on Sunday when a MAX aircraft crash-landed after the tire reportedly burst into flames. The aircraft arrived from Yola, Adamawa State, when the incident happened. No life was lost. SONIA, daughter of EKWEREMADU, has broken silence on the sentencing of her father and mother, Beatrice. Reacting, Sonia said she feels guilty about the conviction of her parents on conspiracy to harvest a human organ. Ekwere victim. I am scared, can't return to Nigeria. Victim begs to stay in the UK. David Ouamini, the will-be kidney donor in the organ trafficking case that sent Senator Ekweremadu to jail, said he wants to remain and work in the UK, as they could arrest him and kill him in Nigeria. Trending on Procyon radio and television with Sarah Agbo.